Just watch me. Just watch me.
Previously on Mattie's Glam Life, I shared with you guys an amazing citrus shot that is going to help to give you a burst of energy and also help with getting a few pounds off of that waist. Make sure that you check out this video in order to improve your body transformation even faster, and let's go ahead and get into today's video. I can't be the only person that is out here struggling with stretch marks. I mean, a lot of us ladies struggle with stretch marks. They're annoying. Sometimes it can cause strikes against our self-esteem. Sometimes we don't want to wear certain things because it can show our stretch marks. And we don't really like this feature about ourselves, you guys. And that's horrible, isn't it? It's horrible to have something that is on your skin that you feel as though you can't do anything about, that is wreaking havoc on your self-esteem, on the way that you feel about yourself, on the way that you think that other people perceive you. Well, ladies, it is 2022 and there is something to improve our stretch marks. I've shared it quite a bit of times here on my channel. I'm not sure if you guys have seen or watched these videos or not, but today I'm here to share it with you guys again. Now, I know that a lot of you guys may be going, well, what is this mystery oil? I'm not going to be a nuisance in this video because we all know about stretch marks. We all know where they come from, and we all know that some of us are more prone to them than others. But oh, what are we here for? This mystery oil that will help in order to rid your body of all of those stretch marks. And guess what, you guys? You only need this one ingredient. Yes, you all, this one thing in order to improve your stretch marks. Are y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. If you're ready, comment down below ready so I can share with you guys this oil. So the oil that I'm talking about is Tamanu oil. You guys, this is my absolute favorite for fighting against pesky stretch marks. You want to make sure that you apply this to your skin each and every single night before you go to bed in order to get rid of stretch marks. It works like an absolute dream. Now, one thing that I will say is this oil does have color to it, okay? It is olive green, all right? So what you want to make sure that you're doing is, if you are not interested in this color being on your bed or on the clothing that you may be wearing to bed that night, a lot of us don't sleep with clothes on, so I'm just putting that out there towards the people who do. But if you are someone who is against that, then make sure that you apply something on your bed before you lay down with this specific product on. And if you're going to be using it during the day, just know that this is something that will rub off on clothing and on wherever you sit, okay? Just be on the lookout for that, and just know that it does happen. This oil right here is literally a miracle in a bottle. In fact, stretch marks is not the only thing that it can be used for, but it can also be used for skin rashes, acne, and scars. This is absolutely amazing. Now, one thing that I always share in these videos is you can always do a patch test, right? So you can apply this on your wrist, somewhere on your body, in order to ensure that you will not have an allergic reaction from this oil, because we want to make sure that everything is good, fine, and dandy. Make sure that you check out Tamanu oil down below in order to get on the track to improving your stretch marks and in order to get that beautiful skin that you've always dreamed of. You can apply this oil wherever you are most prone to stretch marks at. I'm applying it on my hips because this is where I suffer with stretch marks from, since when I do gain weight, this is the first place that I gain weight in. Massage this in for about 5 to 10 minutes daily for the best results. And that is all the information that I have for you guys on today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. It helps to push the video out into the algorithm. Also, you guys, share this video. Share this video with anyone that you know may be struggling with stretch marks, okay? We want to get rid of those things, okay? And you definitely can reduce the appearance of them. Alright, you guys, make sure that you leave your girl some stars down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.